Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Side Hustle Crafter. In this video, I'm going to show you how I used this Let's Resin UV resin starter kit to make some jewelry. Now, I am by no means a jewelry making expert, but this was definitely fun to take out this kit and use all of the supplies within it. So I'm just showing you all the pieces that come within this kit, and then I will make a few things that I can show you at the end of the video. I do use some alcohol ink during this video. Those are my own alcohol inks that did not come within this kit. And I also used an extra mixing mini bowl that did not come in the kit. This video is not sponsored by Let's Resin. I did purchase this kit on my own via Amazon. I have the link in the description below if you'd like to click on that link and purchase it. I do receive a small commission. I really hope you enjoy watching this video. I hope you can get some fun ideas, and I hope you try resin for the first time. So let's get started. Enjoy.